What's up, blockheads? With me, we've got over here on my left.
Hey guys.
You guys will notice that he is riding one of the new Harley-Davidson Livewires, and I am riding, what is this, 2020 Road Glide?
It is a 2020 Road Glide.
2020 Road Glide, but the special thing about this one, as you guys probably saw in a recent video, is that this has the 131 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine in it. What are we calling it, like the 131 crate motor, or what do we?
This is a built engine. This isn't the crate.
Right, so the crate just comes all pre-done, you just slap it on kind of thing.
Correct. This would be the bolt-on kit.
So it's the 131 kit.
Yep.
Okay. So you were curious how the Livewire would stand up to the 131. Is that right?
Yeah, or vice versa.
So whose idea was it to pit these against one another?
I don't know. It just kind of happened. we were joking, and as I'm sure you felt when you rip into that, the power of the 131 is I liken it to the power of the Livewire.
Yeah.
It's almost instantaneous.
Yeah, as soon as you start hitting that 4,000 RPM, it just takes off. It becomes a totally different monster.
Yes, it does. I know the Livewire will probably beat it in the bottom, and it does have that instantaneous power, but for a combustion engine, that 131 is extremely impressive.
Oh yeah.
And it will be interesting to see how it compares.
So you're the one that basically installed the 131 on this one, is that correct?
That is correct.
It's the big bore kit, and you said it's a Screaming Eagle tune on it, and then Reinhardt exhaust?
Correct.
Okay.
It's essentially cams, heads, cylinders, exhaust, tune, and intake.
And the Livewire is just the Livewire.
The Livewire is just the Livewire.
It's a battery on two wheels.
That is correct.
Single gear, no clutch, no shifting.
No, instantaneous power.
Yep. Wow.
Very much so.
I didn't expect to keep up with you like that.
I didn't think you were going to be there either.
Not bad. So what were you at there? Maybe like 70% or?
Power?
Yeah.
Right now I'm running on what is called road mode, and that was actually full power.
Oh wow, okay. Now I know sport mode on those is like a bit crazier though, from what I've heard. Its
acceleration is different. You know, I wasn't fully prepared to give you all the info on that, but yes, the range, the difference between the two is acceleration, power output, also recharge or your regen.
Okay.
And then they also have custom maps where I think you can take off wheelie mode in the custom maps, from what I understand. But everyone that's ridden them, whether they want to buy them or not, has the biggest grin on their face.
It's hard not to.
It's just something you really have to experience. You can't, there's no words for it.
Yeah. First time I rode it, ridiculous. Like I you know, felt that first pull, and it just had that like that whine to it, and you're just like, oh, Tron.
Yeah,
straight up Tron mode. Yeah.
And for those of you that can't hear this thing, it seriously sounds like a speeder bike.
Yeah.
Like it
has that whine to it for sure.
Yes, it does. It's very Tron-like.
Yeah.
We took a fleet of these out. We took 7 out when I was up in Milwaukee, and that's pretty much what it sounded like as we were passing everyone. This will be a little straightaway to kind of get it from 0 to whatever.
All right.
We'll come down here, turn around, and we'll face off.
And hesitant to get this thing like all the way, like 100% throttle. I don't want that rear wheel to go out from under me.
Don't be scared.
I've had very torquey Harleys that rear wheel starts to slide. Whew, it's not a good feeling.
I bet. So I hope you can judge your braking distance.
Yeah. I'll also slowing down way before you.
I can tell you, in third gear, 2000 to redline, when you redline, you're at about 105. So if you get to redline in third before we get there, I would probably recommend pulling off.
Oh yeah.
Now, I'm in road mode, which is the basic mode.
I'm in 131 mode.
Yes, you are.
Which is the basic mode for this one.
Ready when you are.
All right, so you're just...
I'll let you take it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
some bumps.
You had me.
Did you see me come off the seat?
I did. I did. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
You know what? Maybe we'll try it again on this road here. Yeah, you actually had me.
Yeah?
I saw you hop and your feet go out.
Yep. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna slow down now.
Alright.
Alright.
Go for it. I'm wide open. What'd you think?
Oh man, they were pretty even. I mean, you were getting on me.
I was. As this electric motor climbs, it just continues to build power. You had it. You were right there from the get.
Yeah, I felt that rear wheel starting to slide.
Did it?
I let off, yeah.
I almost think we need to flip before we get back so you can run this once.
Yeah, let's do it. Livewire versus the 131. I'm actually really surprised at how this one's keeping up.
Oh, I am too. I'm not completely shocked because I have ridden that, but I'm still very surprised.
All right. Kickstand up, sit on
Yep.
it, pretty much on like a normal bike, and then it's just on, right?
Correct. Yeah, you're green. You're good.
Yep. It's so weird going from that to this.
Oh, yeah, it's a night and day experience.
So much lighter and skinnier and taller. All right.
So, I'll take off and then you chase me.
Yep.
See what you think.
Yep. You got it.
That was full bore.
Dude, yeah. That's faster.
So it actually beat it?
Yeah, man, I had it
No
100%.
way.
You were pulling on me. Yeah.
No way. That's crazy.
Yo,
So now,
that was crazy.
you know what? Flip that over to sport mode. Hit your mode button, and
All
you'll kind of cycle through and hit that S that looks like the snap-on. Yep.
All right, yep.
And then you can rip it on that one and see what you think.
All right. Woo. Yeah, sport mode feels a little different.
Yeah.
A little bit, a little more power. Oh, it's so weird not grabbing a clutch on this thing.
It's hard to maintain traction with this bike. Get it. There you go. Woo. Which mode do you feel accelerates better?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little more oomph in sport.
Do you?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, because the torque's going to be about the... Well, I guess I could change the torque delivery, too.
Yeah, each mode will change, distort your torque delivery.
Yeah, man. I mean, even you taking off right there, you're pulling on it.
So if I get you, then I could keep it. Is that what we're saying?
Yeah, we're racing for pink slips.
All right. Considering neither one of these are ours, I'm down.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you need to get back to work?
Yeah, we could do one more pull. Sport mode.
Oh, yeah. I see you just having too much fun on that.
Oh, yeah, you know. It's so much different than that thing.
I'm just going to go in circles.
La, la, la.
You chasing me, or I'll chase you?
I'll chase you.
All right. Damn. You were right there.
Yeah, they were.
I tried.
I still think you were gaining on me, man.
Really?
I'm pretty sure.
We'll have to review the footage.
The footage will tell it, but I'm pretty confident you were pulling. And I was 100%.
I give it 100%, 100%.
Oh, yeah. Crazy.
I have to admit, man, this ain't bad for Harley.
Right?
It's crazy, no doubt.
So, we're going to put one in my 2020 Low Rider S, right?
Why not? Shit, I'll put it in my car.
Nice. All right. Let's head back.
All right.
Put the toys away.
We need to put one of these in a trike. Oh my God, yes. With a wheelie bar?
Yeah, do it.
Dude, you just ride around on the rear two wheels all day.
Right? That would sell. Oh my God, this bike is so fun.
Oh, I really enjoy the Livewire.
That whine though.
I can hear you actually.
Man, it has been a pleasure. I did not expect to be lining bikes up over my lunch break for test rides.
Oh man. Yeah, I didn't expect to be out here to do this either, so hey.
Right? So is there anything else people should know about these before we end the video?
Oh man.
Any final thoughts?
Probably, but you know, to be honest with you, you just have to experience it.
Yep.
There's really, it's hard to sell, as you know. You just gotta ride it.
Exactly.
Come try it on for size, see what you think.
Yep, you guys be sure to hit up Seminole Harley-Davidson. I'll drop all the information down in the description below, as well as the website. Boom, right there on the screen.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man, thank you.
No, thank you, man.
You guys be sure to hit that like button. Thank down in the comments below for this little matchup. Absolutely crazy, man. I can't thank you enough. Did not expect the 131 to hang with this thing like it does.
I did not either.
We did it for science. It was done for science.
Yes, science!
We did it for Harley.
In Mexico. All right, come up here, family owned. They got live wires for sale. They got 131 cubic inch road glides for sale. If you guys liked it, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Catch you guys on the next one.
Signing off, my friend.
Peace.
Goodbye.